Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Making delicious chicken tikka at home is surprisingly easy, even without a traditional tandoor oven. Using your regular oven, you can achieve that smoky, tender flavor we all love. It's a fantastic way to enjoy this popular dish with minimal fuss, right in your own kitchen. Let's get started on creating some truly mouth-watering tikka. The secret to great tikka lies in a vibrant marinade. You'll need about 2 pounds of boneless chicken, cut into even pieces. Mix plain yogurt with ginger garlic paste, a squeeze of lemon juice, and plenty of tikka masala spice. Ensure every piece of chicken is coated well. For the best flavor, let it marinate in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours, or even better, overnight. Before baking, it's crucial to preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures even cooking and a nice char. While the oven heats, thread your marinated chicken onto skewers, leaving a little space between each piece. If using wooden skewers, remember to soak them in water for 30 minutes first. Place these skewers on a baking tray lined with parchment paper for a mess-free experience. Place your prepared skewers into the preheated oven. Bake them for approximately 15 minutes, then carefully flip each skewer. Continue baking for another 10 to 15 minutes, or until the chicken is fully cooked and slightly browned. For that authentic, slightly charred look, turn on your broiler for the last 2 or 3 minutes. Keep a close eye on it during this final step to prevent burning. Once your tikka is beautifully cooked, remove it from the oven and let it rest for a couple of minutes. Serve it warm, garnished with fresh cilantro and a squeeze of lemon juice. It pairs perfectly with cooling mint chutney, fluffy rice, or warm naan bread. Enjoy your homemade, flavorful chicken tikka, a truly satisfying and delicious meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.